Yesterday, the Supreme Court took up a very important issue. I viewed it as as a very dark day as the Supreme Court heard arguments about the case of Mississippi's extreme law. The court is threatening to trample over the Constitution, destroy Roe v. Wade, and take away a woman's freedom to make the most fundamental decision that she can make for herself and her family, working with her family members and her doctor and her faith. And so we have a situation where, for us, we believe the strongest weapon that we have here is to pass the Roe v. Wade codification. We did that already in the House. That is, it establishes statutory right for healthcare providers to provide and women to avail themselves to receive abortion care free from medically unnecessary restrictions. The DOJ and providers and those harmed by restriction made unlawful under the Act could go to court to enforce those rights. It made the law, the Women's Health Protection Act, would protect access to termination of a pregnancy across the country. The codification of Roe, again, codification of Roe is the strongest weapon that we have to blunt these restrictive anti-woman state laws. Now, we don't know what the decision will be from the court, but from what they have said about not respecting precedents, stare decisis, all of that is troubling. And what they have said about, sometimes I think they need a session in the birds and the bees for some of the kinds of statements that they make. I say that as mother of 5, 6 years and 1 week, 5 children. As I say to my colleagues, when you have 5 children in 6 years and 1 week, we can discuss this issue. That was great for me. That's not necessarily great for other people, and it shouldn't be up to any of us to decide what a woman and her family and her husband, her partner decides is right for them and their family and their future childbearing possibilities. So it's scary. It's really scary. And I say that as a practicing Catholic. Again, this shouldn't even be a political issue. Look at Ireland. Is there a more Catholic country? Look at Ireland and how they pass legislation respecting women. So, in any event, any questions?